my opinion. So it's the same. We have a random height h and we have a height 0. We decide to throw something directly upwards. Is that okay? Now, everybody agrees it probably goes above and below this random height, unless that height is in fact the maximum height, in which case it only touches it once. Now, you ready? Here we go. Shh. You've asked. Shh. U is U. V. A is minus gravity. You ever have a minus gravity?
Yeah.
No reason why we can't use 9.8. Why? Why can I not use 9.8 for this question? See the G? Can't use it. G. So, minus G or plus G? Minus G, because we're going up and it's going down. S value, H. T value, capital T. Same as question 7 from the last exercise, or question 8 from the last exercise. So we're going to say H equals UT. So what's UT? Anybody tell me UT? So it's actually still UT. Minus a half G T squared. Rearrange into a quadratic. A half GT squared minus UT plus H. Is that what got you? What type of equation is that? It's a quadratic. Now we all agree fractions are the devil? They are. You have me on recording saying that. Fractions are indeed the devil. So we're going to get rid of fractions. Multiply both sides by 2. Two things I always try and get rid of are surds and fractions. Okay, we good? Now we're going to do the minus b formula. So what's the a value? G. B value? The minus b value? Yeah, I do it this way. C? Okay. Now, I'm going to grab set values. And I'm going to solve T1 and T2 using the minus b equation. And here we go. I'll pause for a second. So, if you had a minus b formula, and your minus b formula looked like this, you'd have A is 3, B is 2, and C is 1. Even if they're capital T's, it's the same deal. So you don't include the T, because the T is the variable. Is that alright? Yeah. Yo, we got another one. Already done. 2H. Alright. It's not. Why is there a what? Because it's clearly plus 2H.
You brought it over the other way.
Now. We all good? Because my eyes work. Because my eyes work. Alright. Now here we go. Minus b formula, yeah? Minus b 2u. Plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 AC all over 2G. Now, do you know what the beautiful thing is? It's my job to multiply these two things by each other, isn't it? So there's two answers. T1 is generally the smaller answer of the two. T1 will be the minus value, which is your, 4u squared minus 4gh all over 2g. Is that okay? What will your T2 be? Your T2, anybody? It'll be the plus answer. Yeah. Now, have you ever heard of the term placeholder variable? Has anybody ever heard the term placeholder variable? Exactly. So, I'm not multiplying that out. No. Yes. HEF up here, guys. It's 4G by 2H. Thank you so much. Everybody okay with that? Now, placeholder variable, guys. What I'm basically saying is, I'm basically saying the following. I'm basically saying, let m equal 4u squared minus 8gh. You got it? So t1 is now 2u take away m over 2g, and t2 is 2u plus m all over 2g. Is that okay? I'm going to multiply them by each other now. Is that okay? The m? A placeholder variable. I'm going to have to multiply t1 by t2. Do you see it here? I'm going to have to multiply t1 by t2. Which means I'm going to have to multiply this colossal thing by this other colossal thing. I'm not too happy about that. So what I said is let m be the root 4u squared over 8gh. I made it simpler on myself because I'm quite a simple person, really. And what I'm going to do at the end is I'll sub it back out at the very end. And you'll see that I've made my life a lot easier. Ready? Let's multiply the two of these by each other. In fact, I'm so lazy, I'm just going to put the two of them beside each other right now. Honestly. Right, let's go for it. 2u by 2u, 4u squared minus 2um plus 2um plus... You can, Professor Subban. Absolutely. There is the difference of two squares. Now, we all good? If m is this, what do you think m squared is? Get rid of the square root. 4u squared minus 8gh, yeah? Let's see what we get here. 4u squared minus m. Oh, look, guys, it's going to cancel. Cancel culture is rife. We're here. And what's going to happen? The 4u squareds are going to take a hit. The 8gh is going to pop out. The 8gh is divided by 4g squared. And that is t1 multiplied by t2. And what does it want us to do? 2h over g. I'll take that. Just divide it by 4 and get rid of one of the g's. And t1 by t2 is h over 2g. Now, I think it wants a dimensional analysis on the results. A dimensional analysis, let me explain what dimensional analysis is. 2h over g. Ah, thank you. Sorry, I was thinking about the next question. Sometimes I do that. Always at the very end as well. Everybody cool with that? Now, here's what's going to happen. T1 by T2. Would everybody agree that's seconds multiplied by seconds? Which is seconds squared. 2 times height, what's height? Would everybody agree height is in meters? Meters on top. What's gravity measured in? ms minus 2. What happens to m over m? Cancels. 1 over s minus 2. What is 1 divided by s minus 2? It's actually 1 divided by 1 over s squared. Which means you can bring it up to the top, turn it upside down, and you'll get s squared equals. Dimensional analysis checks out.